better yet. The old days, you used to use a knife. Too expensive that way. All right. And you can watch him do it. Here it comes. Now, Barrett, here comes a strafing reenactment from World War I and II. Strafing. Very dangerous because you were on the deck shooting at a target. Unfortunately, the target was shooting back at you. You can pretend you got a flight of Roman Hellcats over the South Pacific, diving on the enemy fleet below. In this case, with Barrett, we're going to use small helium-filled balloons. You can see them out there. They will rise rather quickly.
But we want to use real bullets, right?
Now we might hit somebody in the crowd.
But they've already paid. They don't care about them. They've already paid.
We got some extras?
Yeah, we got extras.
We got
these extras. They've already paid.
The Baron figures we got extras.
Here we go. Here comes Dave Brown.
No, we're going to try to pop the balloons with the propeller. You have to hit it and slice it with the propeller. Sometimes it goes right through the propeller. Dave Brown, 751.
Almost.
Beautiful yellow, navy painted Stearman. And Mike Porter keeps in perfect condition. Dave just got that airplane. Now the United States Army Air Corps. Precursor to the Air Force. Blue and yellow. 44th, John Larrick. Navy painted Stearman from a Grumman F3F. Almost a Pete Furman. A high-performance biplane of the 30s. Now the oldest airplane on the field. Almost. Watch the balloon going in circles. That's the prop wash I was telling you about. See it going down, 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 down. Prop wash, wake turbulence from a 747 or whatever. Descends. You don't want to get caught underneath.
What's 747?
Airplane destroyed.
It's still say real quick.
Beautiful.
Beautiful to be more fun.
Yes. All right, now
Beautiful done by Justin. Oh!
What did he get? One over there or two? He got the two one. I think he got two. He got two. They drifted over there. Where'd he go, John? Who's the winner? I think he deserves a glass.
Retcon misses it.
All right. Back to the top of the batting order. Now you have to imagine, you know, this strafing was very dangerous. Bombing from up there was easier and safer. But coming in here when you're shooting up something, remember all those guys on the ground are shooting back. In this case, you have to hit that little tiny balloon with the propeller. You only had 30 seconds worth of ammunition in those 50 caliber machine guns. 30 seconds. That's down for it, didn't it?
Con.
Now see that balloon going down? There's your wake turbulence. Prop wash, wake turbulence going right like that, right back down to the ground. See it? Round and around she goes. Sneaking in here, trying to get a nice low pass in the undisturbed air. John Larrick tries to line up. Yeah! There you go. And now Keith Furman.
Mr. Now, did you see? I think he dropped his wallet.
He dropped his wallet.
I think he dropped his wallet. I'm going to go look for it. I'm going to help him out. I'm going to go get his wallet.
Keith Furman mail set.
Darren, I don't want you to go out there because the next thing we're going to do is a reenactment of a bombing run. Here's Chuck Tippett now.
Like a World War I game, that means I bombed the storages, the anti-aircraft guns, and the boats, the cutters, the cruisers, and destroyers.
Stay hydrated out there.
Amen.
Closing in. Our President Justin Cooper doing a great job for that one. That's great.
Beautiful done there by Justin. He's a good man, this guy. He's a good man, this guy.
And the last pass for the balloons. Now we're going to start dropping the bombs. Okay.
Oh!
The Baron is out on the field looking for a long